Hi, I'm Jeff Russell, Executive Director of the IAPAM. Since 2006, we have provided aesthetic medicine education to over 10,000 healthcare providers. I wanted to share with you two exciting aesthetic training options which may be of interest to you. First, we have an on-demand online learning system where you can learn the most popular aesthetic procedures, including cosmetic injectables and lasers, whenever it's convenient to you. Secondly, at our live event, the Aesthetic Medicine Symposium, we have created an experiential learning environment for you. Here, you will not only listen to experts talk about the business and procedures, but you will also get a chance to do many of the procedures. As well, we want you to experience what it's like going to a successful aesthetic practice. So we are going to take you to a multi-million-dollar aesthetic practice, where you will not only be able to see the setup and design of the practice, but it's also where we will do the hands-on injection training. By the time you are done this weekend, you will have heard from successful practice owners, learned procedures from practitioners who have done thousands of them themselves, visited an aesthetics practice, and been able to perform some of the top aesthetic procedures and get them done on you. As well, you can combine both programs so you can start learning about aesthetics immediately, which will better prepare you for the live hands-on training. This will be a CME program unlike any you've ever been on. For more information, please check out the page below.